View keys are used to change the viewing angle of your animation. So for example, if I play through this simple animation here, I'll see that my entire animation is being viewed in this kind of 3D isometric view. But of course, I can change and customize that to suit my needs. And those view keys will be held under this orientation and camera views, and whatever keys may be placed along your timeline there. So by default right now, I just have the single key here, which means I have a viewing angle at 0 seconds, and it's just playing all the way through at that same viewing angle. If I want to change that viewing angle, say from the ISO view to maybe a front view, what I can do is just the same as any other key, just right click on this key here at 0 seconds. And I can go to view orientation and change to whatever specific view I may want. So I can go to, say, a front view here, let's say. And now if I were to calculate or play through my animation, we'll see that my viewing angle of my animation has changed such that I'm just seeing only the front angle. Of course, I can add additional viewing angles as well. So let's say maybe I'll move my time bar here to about 3 seconds. And at 3 seconds, maybe I want to change to, say, an isometric or 3D view. So again, just as placing any other key, I can just right click within my orientation and camera views area and just say place key here. Notice it has placed a key within the orientation and camera views keys at 3 seconds. And right now it's still front. It's going to grab whatever view I'm currently in. But just the same, I can right click on that, maybe change that view orientation back to, say, an isometric. So what should be occurring now is I should be starting at a front view, and then as I play through my animation up until 3 seconds, I'll be slowly kind of rotating into that isometric view. So let's see if we calculate or run through this animation. And then I'll just play from start. You can see I start at a front view and then slowly move into my isometric view at about 3 seconds.